Builder appliance and fixture packages can quietly shave tens of thousands of dollars off a new home's total cost when you understand how to work them to your advantage. When you look at builder packages for appliances and fixtures, the real savings come from bundled pricing and the builder's existing relationships with suppliers. Start by asking the builder for a written breakdown of the package that lists each appliance, plumbing fixture, lighting fixture, and any included installation costs, so you can compare it to retail prices. Then, negotiate appliance package discounts by focusing on the total package price instead of individual pieces, since suppliers often give deeper cuts on larger orders. Accepting standard finish options on big-ticket items such as kitchen faucets, cabinet hardware, and light fixtures can free up budget to upgrade selectively on one or two focal areas, like the range or the primary shower. Ask for warranty and service terms in writing for every major appliance and fixture, including who you call for service, how long parts and labor are covered, and whether there is a required registration. Finally, schedule bulk deliveries so appliances and fixtures arrive in as few shipments as possible, which can reduce delivery and handling fees and keep your construction timeline tighter. A few common mistakes can wipe out the savings from builder packages. Many buyers chase every upgrade they see in the showroom and end up paying retail or worse. So a better move is to choose one or two performance upgrades that truly affect daily use, like a quieter dishwasher or a better ventilation hood, and keep the rest standard. Others forget to verify electrical and plumbing rough-ins for their chosen package, which can lead to change orders later, so confirm outlet locations, dedicated circuits, and water line placements before rough inspections. A third issue is ignoring long-term costs, like energy use and maintenance, so it pays to ask for energy usage estimates and filter or part replacement costs, and choose models that balance upfront discounts with lower utility and upkeep expenses over time. At bighomeprojects.com, we help connect homeowners who want budget-friendly home construction with local contractors who understand how to work smart with builder appliance and fixture packages. We also give contractors a place to find new projects and join our discussion community, where homeowners and pros trade real-world tips about packages, pricing, and practical product choices.